My name is Monica Machado, Catastro and Agrimensura Technology student. Causes of stress. Physical stressor. Lack of sleep can cause the body to respond as if were is a dangerous situation, releasing more cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol is responsible for the fight or flight reaction to danger. Psychological stressor. Guilt has an undoubted social value and can cause individual collateral damage. By not doing the right thing, the guilty appraisal activates feelings of anger at having failed, along with sadness and the pain cues and anxiety about the possible consequences. Family environment stressor. Divorce and separation occupy the first position in the scale of stressful events. When a couple makes the decision to separate, each member is deeply affected. When the separation is not by mutual agreement, the member who decides to separate may experience different emotions than the one who is abandoned. Friend environment stressor. The desire of acceptance and belonging can make an adolescent give each with some easy to the pressure of his social group and this encourage the early initiation of experimentation in sexual relations. School environment stressor. Excessive school workload harms the mental health of a student because they take away time to play, be distracted, learn about their surroundings, and interact socially. These activities promote a person's emotional well-being. Work environment stressor. Work overload is assigning additional functions to the worker in an excessive, disproportionate, and constant way. The person may not be able to keep up and begins to feel pressure and stress.